dengan diiringi
Karapan Sapi is a typical cow race from Madura Island. By pulling a chariot, two cows compete accompanied by Madura's gamelan called Saronen. Karapan or Karapan Sapi is a term in Madures that is used to name a cow racing competition. There are two versions regarding the origin of the name Karapan. The first version says that the term often comes from the word or thing, which mean depart and be released together or in droves. Meanwhile, another version states that the word Karapan comes from Arabic kor kirabah, which means friendship. However, apart from the two versions, it is current general understanding. Karapan is a special racing attraction from cattle for the record in the Madura area, especially on Kangean Island. There are similar races using buffalo. This buffalo race is called mamajir and not buffalo racing. In this race, a pair of cows pulling a kind of wooden cart is raced in a fast race against other pairs of cows. The race track is usually about 100 meters long and the race can last around 10 to 15 seconds. Several cities in Madura hold the cow race in August and September every year, with the final match at the end of September or October in the city of Pamekasan to compete for the President Rotating Cup. Types of cow race: the cattle race that is characteristic of Madura's people actually consists of several types, namely, first, Kenny Karapan. This type of cattle race is only attended by people from one sub-district or regional area. In this category, the distance that must be covered is only 110 meters and is followed by small cows that have not been trained. Meanwhile, apart from speed, the determinant of victory is whether or not the cow runs straight or not. For cows that can win the race, they can take part in the even higher race, namely the king race. And the second is Kerap Raja. Big Kerapan, this competition, which is often also called the state race, is generally held in the district capital on Sundays. The length of the racing track is around 120 meters and the participants are often champions. And the third is Kerap Onjengan or Kerapan Invitation. Is a special race whose participants are invited from the district that is holding in. This Kerapan is usually held to commemorate certain major holidays. And the last is Kerap Karesidenan. This Kerap is a big Kerapan which is attended by regular champions from 4 districts in Madura. Often the residency is held in Pamekasan city on Sunday, which is the peak event to end the residency season.